Now here, this is the Sapodilla Silas Woods. This is a dwarf Sapodilla tree. This one's been in the ground about 5 years now. Actually, no, 4 years. And as you can see, it's not quite that big. And I've done about 3 air layers off this tree. These are recent. There's an air layer there. Just did that one today. And I've got another air layer right there, which is going to give me a nice little tree. That's a nice sized branch. This branch is a bit smaller, but that'll give me a nice plant. And you can see the size of the fruit. Really, really nice fruit. Very tasty. If you've never tried Sapodilla before, you really need to try it. It's also known as níspero. Now over here, this is pretty interesting, as you guys can see here. This is my T.R. Hovey papaya. This is a female papaya, only female. No hermaphrodite in there at all. And then what happens is, it gives me this beautiful fruit, and they're all seedless. Every one of them is seedless. And this guy, I actually air layered one. And there's a video I did on YouTube on what I did and how I air layered it. And then this one here is a hermaphrodite, which I just recently cut because it was just way too big and way too productive, and they were huge, and honestly I couldn't eat all of it and I couldn't give it away. But what happened was that when I air layered this, after I cut the stump to remove the air layered tree, I grew this. Well, I didn't grow it. It grew itself right back from the stump, came out this way, and it curves up this way here. See, look at that. And then it kind of hanging out there with my Silas Wood Sapodilla. They're good buddies. And you see? But you know what? I'm either going to air layer this guy again so that I could remove him, because what I want to do is I want to take some of those air layered Sapodillas in about 4 or 5 months, or maybe a little longer, maybe 6 months, and I'm going to take out this whole papaya and I'm going to plant another Silas Woods right over here about 5 feet away. And this way I have plenty of Silas Woods trees to produce and also plenty of fruit to eat.